I got a brochure today from Melissa Strawser from Boyertown, Pennsylvania. Beautiful brochure. I just want to brag about it a little bit. She has pictures of herself working with her group she calls the Young Printmakers Workshop. Melissa and I have been working together for about 4 years on her project called Young Printmakers Workshop, featuring the Mini Halfwood Press. Her idea is to offer sessions to kids and their moms for a printmaking experience. It's all part of the Northwest Print Center Incubators effort that I'm working on here in Seattle.